Pardon?
Tell the markers of PT2.
Healthy?
Mark PT2 exam.
Tell the marks of PT2 exam.
Yes, sir.
You belong to which section, man?
C.
C section. C
Yes, sir.
section, I have not checked the paper. You have to ask with Sheila madam, I think.
Okay, sir. B section.
I have checked A section and I have sent answer sheet of those A section. They can go through the answer sheet. I'm not happy about the way you have presented the answers. So I have brought these general points. This is for everyone, not only for A section. It is common for
I
everyone.
got in my test. I got clear all.
Listen. Whenever you are writing the examination, it's very important that you will mention the same question number which is provided in the question paper. You are not going to write, say, for example, in section A, if there are six questions were there, no? In section, no, four, five questions were there. In section B, it continues with the sixth question, 6, 7, 8. You are not going to change this as section B and question 1, 2, 3. You are not supposed to do that. What you have to do is you will mention the same question number. If section B sixth question you are attending, you have to mention six only. You should not mention section B 1. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Coming to the second point. You must write the answers as per the marks allotted. If the question does not fall under very short answer type like MCQ or 1 mark, then you must write detailed answer. Why this point? Because there was question which was related to finding area. Area of land was given. Area of 1 flower bed you will find. Area of 5 flower beds will find it. Then you will find the difference. Answer you got is 22 square meters. But this answer you should not write and leave it. You have to solve it properly. Otherwise, 3 marks cannot be given. For this direct answer, there will be only 1 mark given. There was another question, verify for different values of n. Which one will satisfy the given equation? Answer was 8. When you take n as 8, you will get the correct answer. But if you have written only this, you will get only 1 mark. You have to write a detailed answer. There was yet another question which was related to this figure. You have to divide this figure and find the area. Most of you have made it as two rectangles, there is no doubt. But when you find the area, you have to specify total area will be equal to area of first figure plus area of the second figure. And you have to mention this. You will get the answer as 40 square units. So if you have written only 40 square units, you will definitely get only 1 mark, where the question carries 5 marks. So I request you all to see the question paper properly, see the marks allotted for question, then accordingly you have to answer. If the same question is asked for 1 mark, you write the direct answer. No issues. But when the question is asked for 5 marks, 3 marks, you are not supposed to write the direct answer. Point 2 is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now coming to point 3. When the question is related to construction, you are supposed to use the proper ruler, compass, protractor, etc. And you have to mention the label also. Say for example, there was a question to divide 8 centimeter line segment. So you have to mention AB
Yes,
8
sir.
centimeter. Then you make the construction. When you construct it, you will get some figure, something like this. Here you have to mention some M. Somewhere here you have to write AM is equal to MB, which is equal to 4 centimeter. So one division is over. Next further it is divided here. Perpendicular bisector is done for this. You mention another name N. Same way here some other letter M N O. You have to mention AN is equal to NM is equal to MO is equal to OB, which is 2 centimeter each. When 8 centimeter is divided into 4 parts, you'll get 2 centimeter each. This was one question. Another question was dividing angle, isn't it? 140-degree was the angle. So
Yes, sir. 140 degrees, sir.
when you construct it, you will get 70-degree each.
Yes, sir.
You have to write this letter to represent
Okay, sir.
angle AOP is equal to angle BOP is equal to 70-degree. You have to mention this. Otherwise, the answer is incomplete. Those who have not done the construction, they have not got the marks. Alright. So remember in the final examination also, you have to follow these 3 important steps. You have to first go through the question paper and see the question numbers. Second point, you have to go through the question paper and marks allotted for the question. Accordingly, you have to answer. The third point, you have to use proper instruments for making construction. Yesterday's class, I had shared these 3 pages on whole numbers set 3. Most probably you must have done that. If you have not done it, please do it. If any doubt is there, please ask. Is there any doubt among these questions? There were 15 questions.
No, sir.
All questions are easy in this? Don't know, sir.
Yes,
Because
sir.
you have not gone through it.
Yes, sir, it was easy, sir. Sir,
It
it
is
was
easy.
easy.
ठीक है. Now we shall solve some practice questions on the whole numbers. This question number 1 is related to addition using number line. You have to remember that whenever you are adding a number, you will be moving to the right side. Whenever you are subtracting, you will be moving towards the left side. Since it is the whole number, I would like to consider from 0 onwards 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First number is 4, so you have to locate 4. Here is the location. You have located 4. Afterwards, 5 should be added. It means 5 steps you have to move towards the right side. This arrow mark indicates that you are moving towards this right direction, and the answer obtained is 9. So 4 plus 5 will be equal to 9. This is how you can do it using number line. This is one method. Another method is I will explain for this 2 plus 6. You will locate 2. This is 2, 0, 1, 2. Next is 6. Directly you can move 6 steps and you will reach 8. So here we can mention the answer 2 plus 6 will be equal to positive 8. Understood?
Yes, sir.
It's easy.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Next is subtraction. When subtraction is there, you will be moving in the opposite direction. One of them I will tell it. I will tell this 9 minus 6. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So first you will locate 9. This is where 9, sorry. This is where 9 is there. Now you have to move 6 steps backwards. So when you are moving 6 steps backward, it's better that you go downwards 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps backwards. And the answer obtained is positive 3. So 9 minus 6 is positive 3. This concept of addition or finding the difference on the number line is same for integers also. The same concept is used in integers also.
Yes, sir.
When we discuss on that, we'll understand it. Now the next question, we have to write the successor of these numbers. Successor means we have to add 1 to each one of these to get the successor. When 1 is added to 2440701, it becomes
Sir,
2440702.
4407. 24 lakh 40,702, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, next one,
100 200.
1,200, sir. Sir,
Next one will be
Sir, next one is 1 lakh 100 and 1 lakh 200. 11 Next one
1,
is
2, 3, 4, 5.
Sir, 11 lakhs, sir. Next one, 2 23 lakh
23 lakh
45,671.
669.
So it's
2,
just
3, 4,
adding
5.
1. For finding the predecessor, we will be subtracting
Sir,
1.
minus 1, sir.
We
First
have to go
93, sir.
minus 1.
Sir,
93,
93,
sir.
sir.
93,
First one will be
93.
Next
93.
one is 93.
This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits are there. It becomes
9,999.
9,390, sir.
8,089, sir. 2 lakh 54,920.
I have written the answers.
320, sir.
Yes, this is very easy. You will all answer it. No issues in that. Let's see this addition. Whenever 3 different numbers are there, how do we do addition? 7 added to 18 added to 13.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir. Yes, sir.
Voice is breaking. There may be a problem with the internet.
Sir, 38, sir. 38, sir.
It is 38.
38, sir. 13 plus 7 is
The
equal to 20.
easier
20 plus 18 is
easier
equal to
way
28.
is add these two first, then add 18.
Yes, sir.
This
Sir,
becomes
20,
20
yes,
plus
sir.
18,
Correct, sir. 30, sir.
38.
After 16 plus 12 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 16 is equal to 20. 20 plus 12 is equal to 32, sir. 30, sir. Sir, 32, sir. 16 plus 4. Sir, first we have to add 20 plus, sir. 32, sir.
So according to our own convenience, we are adding it.
Yes, sir.
Which property is used here?
Commutative, sir.
We are using commutative property.
Yes, sir. Commutative property.
What
Sir,
is
you
this
told
property?
three numbers is. Sir,
I told three numbers.
the community properties we can add
Associative
their
property,
number,
but
sir.
listen. I told three numbers when it is there, we are using associative property. But in this question, we are just changing these two numbers. I have just interchanged it. A plus B is written as B plus A. This is the property. A plus B written as B plus A is the property. So here 12 plus 4 can be written as 4 plus 12 so that you can do addition here. So this property is being used. Moving on to the next one, we have to find the product. Here there are two sub questions. 25 multiplied to 8358 into 4. In this, we can write it as
Sir, 83,580, sir.
4 times
8
I
lakh
835.
35,800, sir. 35,800,
Is this
sir.
correct? Here also we have used this A into B is equal to B into A. This is called as
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
commutativity.
Commutative property. No, sir, we are using associative property, sir.
No, sir, we are using commutative property, sir.
Sir, we
A
are
into
changing
B.
only two numbers, sir.
Here only two numbers only I am changing, sir. Only I am
Yes,
changing
sir.
this. You can see here. I have not changed anything here. Okay, sir. 4 into 25 is what? 100.
Sir, 100.
100.
So
Sir,
it will
it
be
will
the
become
number followed by the number of
8,800.
zeros.
Sir, 5,800, sir.
In the next question, we will be doing the similar type. What we will be doing is we will multiply 625 into 8. We get 5000. That we are going to multiply with 3759 and we get the answer as 1 crore 85 lakh 95,000. This will be the answer.
Yes, sir.
Let me write it. This is the second step. 625 into 8 into 3759. Now we will multiply these two. We get 5000 into 3759. We'll be getting 1 crore 87 lakh 95,000. You calculate, we
Yes, sir.
get this. So that's easy. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next is related to distributive properties. Here again there are
Yes, sir.
questions. This is one, two, three. Three questions are there. Let's see the first one. 15 times of 68. How to make use of the distributive property?
10 and 5, sir.
10 plus 5.
We
Yes,
can
sir.
write
Sir,
10 plus
5
5,
is
or we can write 60 plus 8 also. There is no problem in that. It's better we write it
yes,
as 10 plus 5
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
multiplied to
6,
68.
Sir, 68. Sir, we have to first
sir,
multiply by
680 plus 340, sir.
Sir, 680. Yes, sir.
Plus 340, sir.
68.
680
Sir,
plus
680
340.
plus 5. Yes, sir. 340.
Sir, is
0,
equal to
1020.
1,020, sir.
Yes,
1020.
sir. Correct.
Yes, very good. Next is 17 into 23.
23, sir.
Sir, 78.
3 plus 3.
Sir, 20 minus
Sir,
3.
17 into 20 plus 3, sir.
20 plus
We
10
can
plus
write
7.
this as 20 plus 3.
20
Yes.
plus 3.
Sir,
17
17,
is
20 is
multiplied to 20.
20
17 is also multiplied to 3.
17 plus
340
sir,
plus
340.
51,
17.
sir.
3s are 51.
51, sir. 51.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 391.
391.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In the third
390.
question, they have given the right hand side. 69 is being multiplied to 78 plus 22 is being multiplied to 69. Here, what is
So
being
we have
common that we have to Take
69,
this
sir.
out.
Only one time.
78 plus 22. कितना है 78 plus 22? 100 है ना?
100,
Yes, sir. 100, sir.
So we get it as 6,900.
6,900, sir.
900. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
It's
it's
easy,
easy.
sir.
Here, when right hand side is there, we should know how to express as a left hand side.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Question number 8, we have to simplify. Again, we will be making use of distributive property.
Sir, 50
Observe
plus
this.
5, sir.
50 plus 5, sir.
This is common.
50 plus 5.
2,600,
So
sir.
126 is multiplied to
126 45 100, sir.
50 plus 45 is equal to 100, sir. 126 into 100 is equal to 1,600.
Sir, into
1,600, sir.
12,600. 1,600. 12,600.
yeah. Now there is a word type problem. Please remember, you will not calculate and write the direct answer. You will solve it step by step. A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. The next day, he filled the tank with 50 liters of petrol. If the petrol costs rupees 44 per liter, how much did he spend in all on petrol? So total amount we have to find.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Sir, 2 days petrol usage, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt,
Multiply
sir.
with 44, sir.
Sir, in this question,
Total petrol used, sir.
there are two
20,
operations, sir.
20 plus 50, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. 3,960.
Okay, I'll explain your
Sir,
doubt.
40 plus 50, sir.
Sir, first we have to multiply, sir, and then we have to add, sir.
Sir, 44 into 90, sir.
3,960. Okay, sir. 3,960, sir. 3,960, sir.
Somebody was asking that he has a doubt. Yes, what is the doubt?
Sir, in the descriptive exam also we have to write like this, sir, to gain full marks, sir.
In the descriptive only you have to write like this, sir. If it is objective type, they will give the answers. Option A, option B, option C, option D will be given. In that, we don't expect you to solve.
No, sir, I was asking that can we write direct answer or we have to solve like this, sir?
You have to solve where you have to solve this. This is one method. Another method is total quantity of petrol you will find. Forty liters plus 50 liters. This is the total quantity. 90 liters. Therefore, cost is 90 liters is multiplied to rupees 45. Sorry, rupees 44.
Sir, I did like this only, sir.
Okay, sir.
Can we make 40 into 90 plus 4 into 90?
Yeah, both the same. For us,
Sir, we will get full marks, no, sir, by solving like this, sir.
yes, sir, you will get full marks. But if you
Okay,
write
sir.
only this 3960, definitely you will not get marks for that. Question number 10. A vendor supplies 32 liters of milk to a hotel in the morning and 68 liters of milk in the evening. If the milk costs rupees 15 per liter, how much money is due to vendor per day?
Sir, 1,500.
And
1,500, sir.
1500. Yes,
in the morning.
it is like the previous question only.
100 into 15, sir.
It is like the previous question only.
Yes, sir, we have to
add, sir.
total
Sir,
quantity of milk, sir.
Sir,
Money
total
due
quantity of milk, sir.
to the vendor per day is equal to
15, sir.
rupees 15 should be multiplied to 32
plus
plus
68, sir.
68.
Yes, sir,
sir.
68.
Sir, it is
In
equal to
the sum is 100.
100, sir. 100.
Rupees
15 into 100, sir.
Into 100
1500, sir.
equal
1500.
15,500, sir.
Next question, there are 4 sub questions here. We have to find the value remember, we can make use of identities, properties.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In the first question, there is
Sir,
297
there
which
is a
is
297
common.
common, sir.
17 plus
Common.
3 equal to 297
Yes,
into
sir.
10 to 2020.
Yes, sir.
297 is common.
297.
17 should be added to 3. We get
Yes, sir.
297
into
into
20.
Into 20,
20.
sir.
20.
So
The 14.
Sir,
297 into
500.
20 will
Sir,
be
sir, 5,940.
9 and
5940.
5,940.
40.
Correct. Observe this question.
Sir, in
There
the
is
second,
Sir,
there
similar
are
only.
this common.
54,279 is common, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Hmm.
54 lakh 27,900, sir. Answer.
Sir,
When you add this 92 with
54
8,
lakh
we get 100.
720, sir.
100 should be
100, sir.
multiplied to
Sir,
this.
we have to multiply that into
Yes,
100.
sir. Answer is 54 lakh 27,900, sir.
Similar way,
Yes, sir.
in the third question, we have
Sir, but we have to
81
We have to subtract, sir.
265 is common.
169 minus
When you
69.
subtract this, we get 100.
100
Sir,
into 8.
this one
Let us
81 lakh.
let us solve this.
1,855 into 5
Okay,
into
sir. Let us
7.
solve this. D 3845 into 5 into 782 plus 769 into 25 into 218. In this, if you
Sir, I can
observe,
do 5 into 5, sir, 25.
is there anything common?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
Sir, we
sir.
can break them.
Sir, we can divide 25 into 2 times of 5, sir.
Yes, sir.
2 times multiplying 5, sir.
And 1
5
5 we
square.
have to
5
multiply
into
by
5, sir.
7.
5
Yes, sir.
5. Sir, we can divide 25 into 5 into 5, sir.
Just to
Sir,
see the
sir, after
product
doing
of
5 into 5, we have to multiply
Sir, we
5.
have to divide,
what
sir,
is the
7, 6,
product
25.
of
9
these
and
two?
answer 5.
Yes,
What
sir.
is the product
We
of
have to
these two?
multiply that, sir.
Just
Sir,
tell me the product.
Sir, one
Sir,
more
it is
easy
easier
method
to
is
divide
it
5
is
points, sir.
sir 1 9.
Sir, it is 19,225, sir.
What will be the product of these two? 769 multiplied to 25. If you observe it, this
Yes, sir. They
19,225
are
is
common.
Common,
common.
sir. Common,
Sir,
sir.
sir, one
these
more
two
easy
are
method
common.
is there,
Sir,
sir.
we have to add, sir. That will become, sir, 782 plus 218 is equal
It will
to
become
1,000, sir.
1000, sir.
And
It will
218
become
are is
1000.
equal to, sir.
1,000, sir.
Become
1,000.
1,000, sir.
1,000,
The
they
sum of
become
this is
1,000, sir.
1000.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, we have to add
99225
492
will.
We can do
25,000,
Yes,
sir.
3845
Sir,
into 5 into 7, 8,
1 crore 92 lakh
1
25,000,
crore
sir.
92 lakh
Sir,
25,000.
1 lakh
Okay.
25,000.
Sir, one
Okay.
more method is there,
All
sir.
have understood this. Now your
Yes,
friend
sir.
is
Yes,
telling,
sir.
Aryan Siddhapur is telling there is another method. Yes,
Yes,
Aryan.
sir. Three, sir, 3845 into 5 into 782 plus 769 into 5 into 5 into 218 we have to do, sir. And 1 5 we have to multiply
Well,
with
listen.
769.
Wait. You want me to write this 25 as 5 into 5.
7 to 5, sir.
Then you
Yes, sir.
want to
1 5
take,
we have to multiply.
listen. You want to take 5 common. Only this.
No, sir. One more is there, sir. 769 into 5 we have to do, sir. 1 5 is there, right?
769 into 1 of the 5 you want to do.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. It becomes 3845.
Yes,
If
sir.
you
Yes, sir.
multiply
Sir,
this
3 8 4
with
5 are
this,
common, sir.
we get 3845. So 3845 into 5 will be common.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is also correct. Very good. Next one is to find the product using a suitable properties. We will be making use of a distributive property in all the cases here.
Yes, sir.
In the first one, we
Sir, we
write
have to
this
divide
as
into 100 and 3, sir.
100 plus 3. Then we are
Yes,
going
sir.
to multiply with
Sir,
738.
738. 738.
So 738 followed by two zeros plus
into
738. We need to multiply with 3. We get
Yes, sir.
2214.
40.
This we have to add with
To add, sir.
73800. We will be getting
Sir, it's
2,71,000.
76,000.
The way when we order, so 1
Sir, 76,014, sir.
76 not
73,800. We have to add with 200. 214.
Sir, 76,014, sir.
14.
76,014.
How do we solve this here? D.
Sir, we have to divide 1,000 plus 5, sir. 1,000 plus 5. 1,000 plus 5.
Here, 1,005 you can write as 1,000 plus 5.
Sir. Yes, sir.
168, sir.
168, sir.
168
168
with 3 zeros plus
168 into 5,
168 into 5.
168 into 5, sir. 840. 16,000 we have to add, sir. 16,840, sir. 16,000. Sir, 68,840.
Easy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next is distributive property.
Sir, we have to
Same
divide
method.
100 plus 1, sir.
100 plus 1.
Same method. Is there any difficulty in this?
No, sir. Oh, easy, sir.
Answer is also 72,000.
Sir, answer is
128, sir.
Sir, 72,728, sir.
73,528 you will get.
yes, sir.
No, sir, 72.
Yes, sir. 73,000, sir.
Arey yaar, 73,528 will get.
73,500. Yes, sir. 520.
Yes, sir.
It's easy, yaar. It's not difficult. How do we
Yes, sir.
solve this? D. D will solve like this. Just tell me how to solve this.
Sir, 100 plus 20 plus 5. Sir.
100
100 plus 25.
Plus 5.
plus 25, sir. Sir, we have to divide 25, sir.
So we can
It's
do
easy.
100.
First we will multiply.
ठीक है. Satvik, 14th question. Using suitable rearrangement, we have to rearrange so that the multiple of zeros are there and it becomes easy for solving.
Sir, 837.
837 plus 363, sir.
7 plus
It will be
363
1200, sir.
208, sir.
1200, it will be 837. 1200.
837 added to
Sir, it will be
363 will be 1200.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1200 plus
1200, sir.
208 is equal
Equal to 1408, sir.
1408, sir. 1408.
Sir,
1408, sir. Answer
1408, sir. 1408, sir.
122 plus
How do you make the
1,500.
combination? You will make the combination like this.
This 1962 plus 1538 equal to 3500, sir.
600, sir.
453
Sir, that will be 3500 and
500, sir.
647 will be 1100.
Plus.
Sir, 1960 plus 153 equal to 7 and that equal to 1100, sir.
700.
So that will be 1100.
4,600, sir. 4,600.
4,600. Correct, sir.
Okay, shouting is over. Here is the difficulty when product is asked.
Yes, sir.
Sir, even 15 into 97680, sir. B125 into 4 equal to 100. 166 into 100. Sir,
I want to solve this D.
equal to 1000.
So 1,70,000 6,800.
1 lakh.
25 into 16,
625
sir.
you have to multiply with 16,
16, sir.
then you
Into
multiply
279,
279.
Sir, after that
sir.
279, sir.
Sir,
625 if you multiply with the 16,
6,800,
we get it
sir.
as 10,000.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Sir,
And
10,000
we have to
into
put 0, 0,
275.
0, sir.
Sir, 27 lakh
Four
90,000.
zeros.
27 lakh 9.
27 lakh 90,000.
90,000, yes, sir.
Sir, yet one is so 1,76,800, sir.
I
Sir,
want
we
you
have
to
to
solve
multiply
this.
25.
Sir, it will be 85,000.
Should we rearrange? Without
40 into
rearranging, we
8.
can
Sir,
do.
it should be. Sir, that 125 into
125 multiply with 8.
25 equal to 721 lakh.
1,000. After that 40 into 25, sir.
125 you multiply with 8. What do you get?
Sir,
1000 we
1,000.
get.
25 into 8
This
equal to
one will
200.
be
40 into
1000.
8, sir.
So it will be 1,000.
Sir. Yes, sir. 2,000. Yes, sir.
10 lakhs, sir.
2000. Huh?
10 lakhs, sir. 10 lakhs.
Ah, you are not adding, you are multiplying here.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Okay, this much is enough for today's session. Is there any doubt?
No doubt,
No,
sir.
no doubt, please. No
Sir,
doubt,
Okay.
sir.
it is
Okay,
very easy.
thank you.